What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video. It is currently Tuesday, 5:30. The giveaway truck sitting right behind me. We are probably within a week, if not days away from the giveaway being over. So if you haven't already, chances are the highest multiplier is back. So best chances at taking home the keys to the Mega Cab, 28,000 miles, plus the 10 grand it comes with, is right now. It doesn't matter what you get. Anything you buy off the website, wrenchworks.com. The links are down below. The shop is down below. T-shirts, hoodies, it doesn't matter. Quick entries, it all gets you entered with the best chance for the Mega Cab. But we are about to embark on another 20-hour, 10-hour one-way, 20-hour total trip to go pick up another truck. We have got the 5th gen hooked up to the 38-foot Diamond C, and we are about to make a solo mission because something popped up on Marketplace, and we just can't say no. It's a problem, but another unique truck that I couldn't say no to. I think you guys are gonna absolutely love this dang thing. Again, it's something I haven't seen a whole lot of. So it's in Iowa. We're trekking up there. We're gonna go scoop this thing up. If you hear some noises in the background, take a look at my new backyard scenery. I am not thrilled. It is what it is. You can't own all the property around you unless you live in the middle of nowhere, which might be on the short list because the neighbor behind us happened to sell and subdivide. He owned 10 acres. There was 5 acres that was a little bit closer to us. You can't really see the other 5 acres. And someone is building a huge house right behind our house. It is what it is. It is what it is. That's what's great about America. People, you can do whatever you want. You can buy land, but it's getting a little crowded here for me. And it's really just, I'm venting to you guys. We just built this amazing shop and I love every single thing about it. And it even pains me to think about even moving, but I'm not sure. My mind's all over the place. It's definitely an itch that we might be embarking on the next journey of this channel. Our Reagan and Weston love being outside. You know, we have a busy road in front of us. I don't know. It might be time to vacate into in the middle of nowhere, possibly a little deeper in Tennessee, maybe further south. I don't know. Again, I'm just venting. Don't mind the airplanes that know exactly what I'm filming. But anyway, guys, I'm super pumped for this truck. I know you guys are going to be too. Again, if you haven't already gotten entered for the latest giveaway, do so before it's gone, before it's over. I'm super excited to hand the keys over to one of you guys. That is one insanely clean truck. The last thing I'm going to mention before we get in the truck and start rolling northwest is that is the last time that you will see the 5th gen in this configuration. Last trek, there is going to be a lot changing with the 5th gen. And I'm not talking about the normal suspension. I'm not talking about the normal paint. I'm not talking about the normal powder coat. The next video after this one, I'm telling you, you guys might want to just hit the subscribe button. Make sure your notifications are on. 5th gen is about to go under the knife. And when I mean under the knife, I mean, we're not talking about a 1 or 2 day procedure. We're talking about a transformation. Anyway, let's fire up this bone stock, insanely crazy 5th gen, and let's make the trek. We'll flip our Diamond C air ride on, and yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? What would you do? You know, you can plant trees, you can do all that stuff, but I mean, when we're on the dyno in the middle of the night, I really don't think that they are going to be very happy with that. But again, is that gonna make or break me? No, guys, it's changes. Things happen. You gotta roll with it, man. If things happen, then you don't change the goals or the direction. You just figure out another way to do it. You find another path. It doesn't change anything. You just move a little bit. You move a little bit different. But anyway, I apologize, baby. I'm sorry you're dirty, but when Marketplace calls, we fire this up. But let's go, boys. It's time for another trip. Alright guys, it is Wednesday morning. Slept for a few hours, but we are just about here. Made it to Marshalltown, Iowa. I don't think that I have ever been to Iowa, especially not to pick up a truck. We are a few minutes away, and the next clip you will probably see is the truck either getting loaded or a really big explanation of why we are not coming home with this truck. But we'll get into it. I want to get here, I want to get loaded, want to check the truck out. There's a road closed, so I think we're taking this one here, and I am excited. I think that's why I'm rolling so well here with basically minimal, next to no sleep, because this is a gravel road. Heck yeah. But we're almost there. Let's get there. Let's grab this unit of a truck, and I'll show it to you guys as soon as I can. Oh yeah. Don't mind the dirty windshield, but I'm telling you what, the Bowling Green, Kentucky to Iowa route here, we have seen some rigs. I feel like we're about to step up on another big dog over here. This thing's looking mean. This thing has gotta be on 255 like car hauler tires. This thing is so low. Oh my gosh. That is super low. Brother is doing it. Wow, that is a unit. We are well on our way back home. Obviously did not film a ton there. I'll tell you what, these speed limits going from 55 to 70 are, anyway, I won't stop complaining. Stop complaining, I was about to hit myself. Anyway, we have got 7.5 hours home, ETA back home, 9 o'clock Central Time. We will probably catch up there on the truck. Got some things and stuff to talk about, for sure. Obviously, it came home with us. Super unique truck. And I even asked him, Brandon, I was like, you've owned this truck for a year or two. How many other ones have you seen? Because it never fails, the second that you own the truck, you start seeing other ones out there. So I'm not sure if you could tell by the load up. Obviously a G56, because why would we get anything else? So G56 3rd gen, that's all I'm giving you for now. Seems like a pretty solid truck. Will definitely need the rehab. I'm curious to actually know whose previous truck this was. The previous few owners, I think, I'm not sure exactly who built the truck originally, but it's got some parts that like date back to, man, like quite a few years ago, back when I was like first getting into diesel performance. You could just tell some of the age of the parts and what was popular back then, or how you made power back then. It's a throwback for sure. The guy that we got it off from didn't really do a whole lot, just kind of like freshening up things as things came up, but has a Super Stick G56 in it. So that is really cool. It's kind of interesting and funny enough that we are going to be getting home Wednesday night. We need to unhook the 5th gen and we need to load this up because we're going to be on our way to Super Stick. I think, did I just give the next, okay, so, interesting. Did I just give it away? Well, yeah, you'll have to stay tuned for that. But anyway, we'll get back to the house and then we'll catch up and I will go over the truck. It rips. It definitely rips. And he hasn't even turned it up. Not even on Tune 5, brother. But we will make the trek home and go from there. But super slick truck. I'm pumped. You don't really see a whole lot of them. So fast forward 7.5 hours. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and we're home. Well, we have made it back home. We are actually, it's interesting the way that time is playing out, but I want to show you guys the new truck. Unfortunately, things are moving so quickly that I don't think we'll have a ton of time for me to drive this thing and show you guys every single little detail, but I do want to do a overview of the truck to kind of showcase the truck, get it out there, let you guys know that we have it, that we're building it, and that it is going to be a big build coming up, even though we're already kind of at the next spot, which you guys will see in an upcoming video. So stay tuned because that video is already, it's very interesting, but let's check it out. 06 single cab G56 truck. I believe it has 109 on the clock, and for a third gen, for it being an 06, is definitely still pretty low. Very, very, very nice condition. Like I said, G56 truck needs to kind of be brought up into the current day and age of builds. This thing was kind of put together quite a few years ago. I'm actually pretty curious to see who the previous owner of this truck was. I'm sure somebody's going to see this truck because it has definitely been played with a little bit. It's got 100% over injectors in it. It's got a pump. It's got a 472 turbo on it. It's got an intercooler. It's got an older air dog. I believe the truck was built somewhere around like 2011, 2012. Probably makes some decent horsepower. It's got fire pump traction bars on it. But super cool truck. Again, we try to hunt these unique ones, and in my mind, I'm like trying to think. I'm like, how often do you see a all black single cab third gen 5.9 G56 truck? It's not very often. So we've got a sport front end on this thing. It's got a Laramie bumper, got the chrome section, really digging the polished and the chrome. Obviously, we had him put the stock wheels on it. He had some fuels on there. We're gonna be changing all that stuff, so I told him keep your wheels, put them on the next build. We'll take the stocks for now. So cowl hood already painted. We're gonna do a bunch to this truck. So suspension wise, really has a leveling kit on it. Very, very clean. So the previous owner, honestly, the previous owners was garage kept. Very, very clean. Garage kept. I'll show you guys the underneath of this truck. This is exactly how I like to find them. Roll pans already on the back. If you guys can see underneath here. Very, very clean. No rust. Like third gen rust free trucks, not very often you find them. So clean as a whistle through and through. Has a gooseneck ball in the bed there. Let's pop the hood. Definitely still needs some TLC here and there. Again, it's a 06. These trucks are definitely not getting any younger. It's got some goodies underneath there. Again, we'll clean all this stuff up. We will be going through pretty much everything. You guys know that nothing stays untouched. So we will go through this thing completely top to bottom, make sure that it's absolutely perfect. We'll get it dynoed, but already 100% overs, already got a pump, already got a turbo. We'll see what we change on this bad boy. But super solid, clean base truck to start with. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new single cab. I don't know why single cabs just keep getting attracted to me, but I'm not complaining one bit. So here she is as she sits right now, and it's only gonna get nastier from here. The bed liner on the bottom here was pretty popular back in the day for rock chips, stuff like that. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that. The bed liner on the bottom, we're gonna repaint that stuff and make that the body color, so it's all OEM plus. The only other thing that I really don't love is the cab light spacing. Again, that can be fixed and taken care of, which is as you can maybe tell and pick up from where we are at currently, that is already in the works. That is already happening currently. So I apologize that time was short enough to not really nitpick this thing fully top to bottom, but wanted to show you guys the latest truck in the stable. Guys, that is a wrap on this video. Let me know what you guys think about the new 3rd gen single cab. I'm already in love with the dang thing. It is such a sweet, unique truck. It's gonna be a killer build, so make sure you guys stay tuned for all of the content to come on that truck. Again, last reminder of the video, make sure you guys go to wrenchworks.com, get entered in the latest giveaway truck coming to a close this Tuesday, end of this month. Last day of the month is it. It is over, and we are gonna be handing the keys over to one of you guys. Appreciate you guys so much for getting entered. We will see you guys in the next video very soon. See ya.